she doing? Kalat. Kalat na. Oh.
Thank you.
Good job, baby. Are you cleaning up, baby? Very good. You know where to put stuff? Alright, you can decide. Where will you put the eggs? Ah.
Yes, to roll.
Oh, yeah.
Can you put this back down?
What do you mean
Stairs?
that? Oh, this is, it's not yours?
No, it's Lichi's.
Okay. We put it on the table beside the... Ayan, ayan. Okay, sige. I'll show you later on. Bless you. Oh. Do you need tissue?
No.
The eggs are there. Oh,
Because my back is hot.
okay, sige.
No, stop. Mama, is it okay to keep this with the toys?
It's fine, yes. Oh, but that goes with the other kitchen stuff, right?
No.
Yeah, there. Kitchen.
No, it's not. Everything is square.
No?
I promise.
Okay, if you want them to be there. It's fine. Are you done cleaning up?
Yes. I'm done.
Is that done?
Yes.
Is it done, Daddy?
Not really.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Just put the containers on the shelf.
No.
Right?
Are you saying no to Mommy and Daddy? You can ask for help if you need help. What do you need help with, baby? Hmm.
No.
No.
I won't pick it up. I don't care.
Okay. Where's Stephen?
No.
Okay. Oh, good. The eggs are there.
The chicken's here.
Yes, put it there.
Peekaboo.
Alright, put the chicken there, please. Good. Alright, so that's
Cooking.
clear now. The eggs, you can put them on the side. They're there. Very good.
I don't want to do this myself.
I will help you with this one. Okay, can you... Okay, good. I'll help you. We will cover this one. The big box? No, this one.
Big box.
Yes, there's nothing inside.
There's nothing inside. We have to put something inside.
We don't... No, we don't need to put anything inside. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
This, right? Ah, it's too tiny.
Yes.
Here.
I'll put them in the others.
Too tiny. So scary.
Very good. Okay, yeah. Cover oven. Very good. Ay, baby, baka masira. Careful when you do that, please. You don't want me to help you? Are you angry when I'm helping you? Is that how you treat your mama?
No.
Do you still need my help?
Yeah.
Alright. Behave properly so mommy will help you. Just... Okay, baby. Alright. I'll get this one. It's fine. Thank you. Very good. All of those... baby, can you give them to me? I'll put them in the cabinet. You're done. Okay, very good. Sige then.
Nail polish. Go.
This one.
I cannot do it.
You want... You hold...
The triangle.
Yeah, you hold one end. I will hold the other end.
Okay, I'll put this on here.
Oh, but that's where we'll put this one. Right?
Oh, yeah. Okay, sorry about that. I'll put this here.
Alright, good. Hold one hand. I will hold the other. Alright.
Not heavy at all.
It is not heavy. Yes, that's right.
And turn around.
Mm-hmm. Slowly.
Slowly.
Mm-hmm.
Turn around. Finish.
Yes, very good.
I love you.
So where will we put that?
Me.
Okay, and then this one.
Those I don't have.
Oh yeah. No, I mean... Okay, this one naman. Where do we put the pumpkin? Put them on the side.
Right here.
Alright.
And this goes here.
Okay.
Actually,
I'm gonna put it inside. I'll give it to me. I'll put it on top. Here, remember where we placed it, okay? Alright, so you only have... You have the nail polish and those two Paw Patrol, ano.
I'm gonna get that and that to hug them for more.
For tonight? Okay, sige. Move the burger to the side na. Okay. Oh, you can call Daddy na. Tell him you're done. Oh, where do you put this one?
But I want to still play.
Oh, you want to still play? Oh, where do you put the burger?
I want to still play, please.
Oh, you ask Daddy.
Aha.
You go to Daddy. Tell him you're done cleaning up. Where do we put the kitchen? The food stuff. Oh, it won't fit, baby. It's so big. It's fine. We can leave it there.
On top of the burger.
Okay, where do you put this one, the egg?
Oh, no. This is where it will go.
Alright. See, it's better if you put them all in different categories.
Let me play now.
Okay.
Don't want your cracker anymore?
I want to have it when I want to play this.
Alright. Very good, baby. See? Do you feel good that you cleaned up?
How do you want to? I just have one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Oh, 20. Okay,
Wow.
More.
how
Oh!
So we have 30.
You have coins?
10.
Not quantum, Mina?
10 quantum.
Squishy toy! So squishy.
Come here. You're playing? No. Oh, you're stepping on the pillow.
Wiggle you. Snake. Snake.
You can do your dragon dance next time.
Oh.
You can do the dragon dance next time. The other monkey.
Are you helping Daddy?
Snakey, snaky, 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 snaky,
Oh.
Daddy, I hate you.
No,
Oh,
see.
I hate you. I'm gonna give it to me. Give it to me or I will mess it.
We're done.
Never.
Last one.
You pick it up.
Last one.
No, baby. You threw it. Please pick it up. You know where to put it.
Can you do this on your own? Yes or no? Yes or no? Pick up the-
Oh, you cleaned the bed. You did it by yourself? Thank you, baby. Very good. Good job.
Helping with me.
Okay, very good, baby.
I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the giant hills. I love the fireside when the lights are low. Bundiada, 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 bundiada.
Oo. Thank you for cleaning and for folding.